Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm out in the showroom, and I'm fortunate today that I've got Samm, one of our material handling regional managers, and Scott Moore, one of our automation regional managers. So you two here lately are beginning to work together. Instead of Scott, you're just doing automation, and Eddie, you're just doing material handling, but you're starting to come together. Can you tell a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely, Milt. We're fortunate enough to have a great material handling dealer network that we've had that you started, 40 years ago. Today's day and age, we're getting into a lot of automation, a lot of machine guarding type stuff with the interlocks. That's why we have this automation team that we started 5 years ago. And as our material handling dealer network starts to advance themselves in the automation world, we have to bring our experts in like Scott, and we've worked together on 4 or 5 deals here in the Midwest that have gone smooth, just seamless, and it's because of the expertise that Scott brings along, and a lot of our dealer network as they start to advance and prepare themselves for the coming years.
So Scott, what do you see with these material handling dealers? Where do you bring in the expertise? Where do they need help with it?
Yeah, as they start to grow in their safety, that's the one thing they have a lot of questions all around how machine safety works and with the safety standards. Different sweep lengths, different interlocks, as Eddie mentioned. So what I do is I come in and I help them explain that and how these operations work. And once they get it, they're able to go out and find these applications. Very easy to get us all involved.
So as material handling evolves, we've seen it where our dealers were just selling mezzanines and pallet rack and wire partitions, and now they're getting into some really automated equipment.
They're getting into robotics, they're getting into conveyors, and when those kind of applications come up, then you need to definitely look at machine safety.
And we've set this up where you two can work together, and it's a win-win for both of you.
I just had a conversation with the dealer yesterday, and he was so impressed with how he contacted Eddie, and Eddie contacted me, and we got the quote to the customer within a few days, and they were extremely happy.
All right, so that's what we got this week on Mondays with Milt. We'll see you next week on another one. Thank you very much.